Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Creator Cove game on your PC. Guys, first open up the any browser and just search for the Steam. And Steam website appear on the top, so simply open up the Steam website. And once you open it, here you will see the login option on the right hand top. So click on the login option and here just sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. And once you created the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, just download the Steam and install it into your PC, and this is very simple and easy process. After that, just open up the Steam and log into your account. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the Creator Cove. And guys, once you type it, now this game appear on the top, so simply open up the Creator Cove game. Now here in this page, just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. So if you want to play its demo first, just click on the add to library option. Just click on the add to library option. Now its demo was added to your Steam library and you can simply download and install it. But if you want to download the original game, just click on the add to cart option. Then click on the option of continue to payment. Now here guys, simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Guys, once you pay the amount, now go to the Steam library you are seeing on the top. And once you purchase the game, now game was added to a Steam library, and on the left hand side you will find the Creator Cove game. Just click on that, then click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.